Okay, so this video is a configuration of field service part 2. We have already discussed about the part 1, in which we have discussed a resource, how we are going to how we configure the resource, what is field service, how we are going to help with this configuration, characteristics, territories, what is booking status, values and resource page types. Those are things we find. Now this video we are going to talk about three important configurations: work order type, service task type and incident type. Let's talk about work order type. So basically work order type is nothing but what type of work orders, what type of work the field agent is going to be do, whether it is inspection, it's installation or any maintenance work or any service call or any work, what type of work is going to do. For example, if the customer calls to the company and he report no he's told some of the issues, so basically what type of issue he is going to be handled. So it's a very we can say it as a category. There are so many issues, right? So what type of things is going to be handled, so that is the thing, that is the main thing in the work order type. Forget about these things, working on files, this all comes to that level. But in the field service, the main thing is how the work order, how the what type of work order type, what type of work is going to do. So this is work order. Service task. So this is another thing. Service task is nothing but what type of task he is going to do. Let's say it's a what type of to-do list. Let's take for example, he's going to be a field agent. The work order type is one of the customers called and report him in. I would need to my laptop was hanged. I will need to check and install the new OS. Okay, so he calls to the corresponding HP or whatever is Dell laptop, what is it, corresponding company. He called it and the case was noted, and it was the case was converted to the work order. And the type of work order is it's nothing but installation, right? It's going to be do some installation work, right? New OS. So the type of work is installation. And what are the type of task is going to be do. So first what type of task is going to do is going to be install, right? So in that install, what you have to do, he first check whether the RAM, what is the RAM size, and how much hard disk he has. And to take before deleting that, he need to take the backup of the hard disk, that point. And after took the backup of the based on the customer recommend, based on that OS is need to be selected and he has to be installed. So these are the 5 steps. So these are 5 tasks, service task types. So based on this service to-do list, we can say it as simply, we say it as a to-do list. So those things has to be created. So here the predefined thing, they have created a free estimate, and what is the duration is 30 minutes. And see, there's nothing more than that. So in now scenario, I said it as software, sorry, I name it as a data backup, because the customer, as I said earlier, the customer's call for his issue in the voice was get captured. So before he takes a backup, and I put it on as okay. So I'm going to the data backup going to be finished at minimum. The estimation is 1 hour. So it's based on that. It always increase, but estimation is 1 hour. Okay, and data backup, and then of that, what I'm going to do, install OS, right? So installing OS is again took 1 hour of time. Okay, okay, so that's it. And the most important thing is instant type. We can say it as either it is a instant type is nothing but it's a template to create a work order very fastly. Let's say for a company there are there are some category. Each and every time we have a category, and based on the category some type of task and product, and then we have to do. Let's take if the someone is asking for installation, we always do take a data backup, and we always do the install the OS, and what type of product he needs to do, and what type of extra services is going to the person who going to be work on that. So usually we can do this kind of things for installing a new OS. If there is any work on issue on hard drive issue, that time there are particular different types of set of tasks. We can say it is a template. Instead of creating all the so creating every time to create the service task and then product, we can create it as a template, and based on the template choosing the work order, show it over here. So based on the template choosing the work order, or the automatically the service product, it will be automatically created. Loading. Okay. Okay, so this is the name it as a instant type. Okay, now I'm going to create a new instant type. Okay, that name it I name it as a, since I bought the installation. Okay, so I'm installing OS. Okay, saving. So usually for installation work, what is the duration? We take a data backup and then do that, right? And I usually put it 2 to 3 hours. If I forget to put that, it's just a random work. Okay, what is the default work order type? It's installation, right? So I need the installation. Okay, here the important thing comes: service, products, and services. Okay, what is service tax? What is product? What is services? So as I said earlier, what is the difference between services and service tax? First, services is nothing but the person who go the sorry the what type of services the company going to provide to the customer. Those are things, and how long it's going to be taken, those points need to be taken in the services. Service task is nothing but a to-do list of the work the agent going to do, and product is nothing but a what type of product is going to be taken and then send it to that. Okay, mm, so here we have already discussed about the type of task. Already used a data backup. Why is the data backup? This is so I have choose first. I was take it up as a data backup task, and after that, what should I do? After that, the field agent is going to be do as installing OS. Okay, so this line order is automatically incremented 1 2. Okay, These two, the product and services, we will see on the separate video how we are going to be configure product, and based on the product we'll come back to see how the product is going to be added in the installation type. We see it on the next video. So that's it this today videos. So this video we covered on work order type, what is work order type, what is service task type, and how the instance types is created, and we have also seen the difference between the service and then service task we have covered. So in the next video, it's a very important video. It's a price list and product. This price list and product is a very important concept in the field service, and this prices product is again it's a common model, common entity. Prices is a common entity, and then a product is again is also a common entity. It was used in a sales and service model as well. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any improvements needs to be improved, just add it to your comments, and have a nice day and take care. Bye.